Hashtag. Welcome to the T Kasi Business Workshop. We are focusing on the power of networking. The power of networking is the process of making connections and building relationships. If you want to connect with the people that you are pitching to, speak the language. Speak their language. Is to do your research. What problem are you solving? What is your unique selling point? What is your story? What do you need?
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Ntombi Zanel.
My name is Shane Mayongo.
My name is Yvonne Mchila.
I'm Victoria Elias.
I'm Fumana Kirilo.
I'm Nomatamsanga Lolwana.
Build lasting relationships with people. Make sure that you surround yourself with people that's basically in your industry, whom you can learn from and who will be able to assist you.
To me, so to me, networking is like a recipe where you mix your ingredients, which are your people, your ideas, your resources, to create a dish of opportunities and that nourish your business growth and the life of it and that of others around you.
Starting a business should be about customer satisfaction, whether you're selling a service or a product. One of the strongest tools in a business is, and more especially the marketing area of a business is, and it is cost effective as well, is word of mouth. Your business is known because people talk about it. Associate yourself with people that are sound.
We'll start off by giving a certificate of participation. The winner of the pitching competition right here in Upington, Paballelo, walking away with the grand prize is Yvonne Links from Chef and Machila.
I'm gonna buy me a bakkie. That's gonna be part of the bakkie that I'll buy for myself to transport my mobile kitchen and my mobile chiller. Thank you, man, for the shield.